Well, here at home, California and San Diego leaders are denouncing the revealing of that Supreme Court opinion that plans to get rid of Roe v. Wade and promising to keep access to abortions safe and legal. Those here at home. Well, ABC 10 News reporter Jared Aarons joins us live with a look at how this decision could impact our state. Jared.
Jim, California already has laws on the book that make abortion legal, but with this possible change from the Supreme Court, local leaders are pushing for ways to strengthen those protections, including the idea of a constitutional amendment. Today, Governor Newsom, along with Senate President Tony Atkins, who is from San Diego, said, quote, "We know we can't trust the Supreme Court to protect reproductive rights, so California will build a firewall around this right in our state constitution. Women will remain protected here." A constitutional amendment would need a 2/3 vote in both houses to pass and then have to be approved by voters. Meanwhile, San Diego Mayor Todd Gloria tweeted, quote, "If Roe v. Wade is overturned, we must do all we can to secure reproductive rights. I will stand with you and fight with everything I have." And County Board of Supervisors Chairman Nathan Fletcher sent us a statement saying, quote, "This draft opinion is wrong-headed, regressive, and creates an uneven landscape for the reproductive rights of women across our country." That idea of reproductive inequity could have the biggest impact on California. People who live in states that outlaw abortion would likely travel to states where it remains legal, like California. Legal analyst Dan Eaton says this state could become the center of abortion tourism.
It's a marketplace, after all, at the end of the day, and so what you would expect to see is that as demand increases, and it may increase very substantially indeed, you will have a larger number of abortion providers in the state of California to meet that demand.
If this decision comes to pass, the Guttmacher Institute, a pro-choice think tank, says the number of women of reproductive age whose closest abortion provider would be in California would jump from about 46,000 to 1.4 million. Jared Aarons, ABC 10 News.